me quedo toda la noche aquí, porque si te quedas aquí, me quedo toda la noche aquí. Porque si
Esse é o toque, o file, é o brabo da putaria.
Hello. Oh, so okay. If I increase that sound over here, then increase the overall audio, right? I'm testing new things. Okay. That's completely mute, by the way. Got it. Oh, yeah. I mute the total audio. That doesn't work. What? Think so that works, I guess. Let me just increase the audio a little bit. -8 dB is fine, I think. Why my vocal is sound like broken? Let me just off all the gates. How's it? Is that cool? Okay, so now it's capturing other audio as well, no? If I turn them on, so just hello. How's that sound? Okay. Okay, it's just a waste. Usually only noise gate and compressor working, I think. Okay. I think I don't need them. Let's just hello. So my vocals are good, or do I need to change something else? I think this one works. Okay, got it. I'm being patient over here. Yeah, I'm being patient. Don't know what's going on.
I'm begging you, stop using ChatGPT and Canva like a children's toy. AI will create more millionaires in 5 years than the internet did in 20. Do this for 15 minutes a day, and by February, you won't recognize yourself.
I mean, most people of my age don't realize that AI will create more millionaires in 5 years. Now it can build an entire app in 90 seconds, while most folks over 40 know only ChatGPT or Canva.
So, hello everyone. This is our day 5. So, hello everyone. Our day 5. Okay. This is bad by the way. So, let's start working, okay? So, let me just share our so far update, what we have done so far. Okay, so we have completed our research. Right after completed that part, what we do is we generate our Excel sheet, and now our template. In our template part, we already find the template that we are actually gonna work. So let me just open my Telegram. Okay, got a message by the way. So भाई सिग्मा वेब डेव कोर्स स्टार्ट किया है सास के हिसाब से ठीक है क्या? पता नहीं ब्रो, मैंने नहीं किया है. Let me just check. Sigma web development course ना. Source code for हाँ बट ये वेब डेवलपमेंट का कोर्स है, ये यहाँ मतलब फ्रंट एंड का कोर्स है राइट, जो मैं देख रहा हूँ यहाँ पर। हाँ अच्छा, जावास्क्रिप्ट पे है फंक्शन, बट फ्रंट एंड में ही तो लगेगा। जावास्क्रिप्ट डीएम ओके, सिबलिंग नोड्स ओके, क्लासेस एंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स ओके, मोंगोडीबी है ठीक है। अच्छा 11 years, हाँ कर सकते हो, अच्छा है। या बेसिकली मैं वाइब कोड करूँगा, पर मैंने जो ये कोर्स खोला है ये इट्स नॉट इट्स एक्चुअली प्योर कोड, but I will do the challenge using vibe code only. So if you are new here, so this is our challenge, as you already know from the title. Our challenge is to earn $1 million by building an AI business. Okay, so we are starting with $0. So what we have done so far, we looking for the AI automation tools that our peoples are actually paying for, right? Then what we have done is I created a Excel, I share it on my Telegram group, you can go and check it out. Okay, so here's the Excel sheet, which are high demand AI agents, services that our people are actually paying. Here's also why I choose this, and I made some columns. Okay, you can check how much revenue per client you can charge. Okay, so we are starting with AI lead gen and outreach system. Okay, so for that what I did is I'm looking for templates, and I already found template. Okay, so in today's video what I will do is we will try to implement these templates or import these templates on n8n. Okay, then we will figure out the next steps. Let me know if you have any questions so far, I will happy to help. Okay, so here's the templates. Okay, so this is one GitHub repository. Let me just copy it. It's a 50k lead generation system. There's a demo. Okay, where's the JSON file? So here's the system architect. What it says is first it will do the webhook trigger, single endpoint, multiple actions, switch router direct to appropriate workflow branch. Okay, script Apollo, enrich Apollo profiles, script LinkedIn profiles, engine ring profile, qualify leads. Okay, Apollo workflow, script Apollo, extract leads, store in Airtable, trigger enrich. Instead of Airtable we will use Supabase over here. Build Google query, search LinkedIn. Acha, paginate result. Okay, store profiles, trigger enrich. Enrichment workflow, fetch lead from Airtable. Okay, script LinkedIn profile using Appify. Okay, got it. Extra 25 plus data field, parse experience, company context info, update Airtable with enrichment data. Okay, then qualification workflow. Okay, what is it? Fetch lead data from Airtable, extract company website with Tavily. What's Tavily? I don't know what's Tavily. Let's Google it. Right now I'm understanding the workflow, by the way, guys. Tavily is a real-time search engine for AI agents and RAG workflow, fast and secure API for web search. Okay, got it. This is a secure web searcher for AI agents. Okay, search engine, travel. Real-time search engine. Okay, got it. Yeah, cool. Send to Google Gemini. AI analyze fit job company industry return scores. Update Airtable database Apollo. Google search. Okay. Scrape Apollo workflow engineer. Okay. Let's see what's the JSON file list. Need to import that JSON file first. GitHub and hidden workflows. Okay, so here it is. What we have to do is we just need to download it. Download raw file. Okay. Yeah. There we go. By the way, if you don't know how to install N8N in your hosting or VPS, and that's really affordable, just watch this video. This is really helpful. Just let me open my YouTube. Let me just go through my YouTube studio. Yeah. If you watch this video, this is really helpful. Hello everyone, today I will teach you how you can install N8N using This is really a helpful guide, guys. If you watch this video, you can easily understand how to install N8N in Hostinger, or you can just Google and find that out by yourself. But I suggest to watch this video. This is really helpful guide. Okay. So this is my N8N. Okay, let's just create a workflow. Just import from file. Okay, so this is our lead generation. Let me just save it. So I need to get record from campaign table. Instead of this, I'm using Supabase cause I like Supabase cause Supabase is easy instead of laggy. Airtable is laggy. If you use it for many datas, for let's say 100 columns or 100 rows, that will lag a lot. That's why. Apollo lead enrichment. Okay. One script, inserting profile. Let's just understand the workflow, what it says for the time being. Okay. So it says it has a webhook trigger, single endpoint, multiple actions. Yeah, you can see there's a get request. The switch router directs to appropriate workflow branch. scrape Apollo enrichment profiles, scrape LinkedIn profile, enrich link profiles, qualify leads. Okay, yeah, that's correct. Then Apollo workflow on, scrape Apollo, extract leads, store in Airtable, trigger enrich. Okay, so let's see. Apollo scraper. Get record from campaign table. Okay, then Apollo scraper http ap5.com. Okay, it uses Apify, so we need to install Apify. We need to log in with Apify. Let's see. We have to log in Apify, and I don't think the Apify is a free one, cause let's see what it use. Apify.com and sync databases. Insert API key. Yeah, this is what I'm talking. Okay, so that's a LinkedIn scraper. Okay, but here it says Apollo scraper. Let's see. Let me just log in. Log in first, guys. Lead finder affordable. Which one he use? I think let's just copy the URL. Okay. That's not gonna work, sorry. Yeah, so I think it's fine, guys. Yeah, it's not over well. Okay. Let me just turn off the gates. I think. Yeah, I think these are works good. Yeah, am I audible or is it more clear? I guess. I think these are works good. Yeah, am I audible or is it more clear? I guess. Yeah, it's clear. Okay. Yeah. If you guys have anything to ask, you can ask me right away, by the way. I think. Okay, so what I found is we need to pay for LinkedIn scraping in Apify. That's $49 per month or pay per use, and also the Serper Dev Google Search API. What is Serper? Fastest, cheapest Google Search API. Okay. Experience speed with our industry leading SERP API, delivering lightning fast Google search result in 1 to 2 seconds. Okay guys, so we have to pay a bunch to get started. So let's see if we are able to find some other templates for lead generation. Okay, I don't think this one works because there's so many payments that we have to swipe. Okay, the one is $49, then $50, and at least $100 just to get started. I don't think it's worth it just for now. Okay, so let's see if there are any other options available. Yeah, the system architect cool, but let's see if we find any other scraper. Mass LinkedIn profile scraper. How much it is? LinkedIn job scraper. LinkedIn profile. Another one. Let's see how much we have to pay for the services. Okay, so $10 per 1,000 results. Mass LinkedIn profile scraper with email. Yeah, this is what we want. This one is good. Yeah, $10 though. Such free action cost result. Okay. What about this one? Pay per event. Okay, got it. Okay, so the thing is, we will start with this one. It's a really simple one. Let's just start with it. Profile comment scraper. No, we don't need to scrape comments. We want to scrape profiles. No, sorry, that's way too much for us. Okay, let's see. LinkedIn profile scraper, Apollo scraper. Look for the Apollo scraper, which is affordable. Go with that one. हाँ भाई, एक्चुअली ये जो वर्कफ्लो है, अगर आप नए हो तो बेसिकली हमने एक चैलेंज स्टार्ट किया है. सो द चैलेंज है कि $1 million, ओके, $1 million अर्न करना विथ यूजिंग AI with $0 और लेस स्पेंड, ओके, लेस अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. सो इसलिए कुछ स्टेप्स है जो मैंने बनाए हैं और ये मेरी थियोरी है. तो फर्स्ट हम लोग रिसर्च कर रहे थे AI टूल के बारे में, ओके. सो वो मतलब AI टूल के बारे में रिसर्च जो कर रहे थे, सो कौन सा टूल एक्चुअली वर्क कर रहा है एंड पीपल्स आर पेइंग फॉर, ओके. सो आफ्टर रिसर्चिंग दैट, what I did is I created an Excel file and I also shared that Excel file in the community. You can have it, by the way. और ये है Excel sheet. So यहाँ पर हाई डिमांड AI एजेंट सर्विस जो है उसका मैंने एक Excel sheet बनाया है. इसमें मैं मतलब पहले हम लोग AI लीड जेन एंड आउटरीच सिस्टम ये वाला हम बिल्ड करेंगे. फिर आफ्टर बिल्डिंग दैट वन, व्हाट वी डू इज़ वी विल स्टार्ट targeting clients, okay, and these are the revenues that they are actually paying, okay. So already created that list and we are working on that part. As you know, हमने template भी ढूंढ लिया है, okay. So here's the template, by the way. Right now what we are doing is I am trying to figure this out, how this template is actually works. So I go to the repository, the guy who actually made that template, and looking for the things that actually I have to configure over here, right? So these are the things that I have to configure. So I'm looking for the Appify and the Appify scrapers that वो Appify के वेबसाइट से आपको मिल जाएगा, ओके. सो मैं वही देख रहा था और क्योंकि यहाँ पर इसने प्राइस का ब्रेकडाउन दिया है कि एपीफाई के लिए आपको $49 पर मंथ पे करना पड़ेगा और भी सारे टूल्स है, ओके. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम लुकिंग फॉर द एक्चुअल कॉस्ट व्हाट वी हैव टू पे. इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चन यू कैन फील फ्री टू आस्क, ओके. सो हमने लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल स्क्रैपर ढूंढ लिया है. सो we will work with that one, mass linking profile scraper with email, okay. अभी हमें जो ढूंढना है, let me just copy that. Right now I'm looking for the Apollo scraper, okay. The same needs but sound instructing what you just explained. Yeah, cool. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. I am also a newbie, by the way. Okay, so Apollo scraper. We are looking for the Apollo scraper right now. Yeah, sure. You too. Best of luck, guy. Bro. Okay. So basically I found two scrapers which actually used by many peoples. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, for the revenue I have a theory. Okay, let me just explain one by one. So what I will do is, first I do the research part. I already did, and after configuring the template, what I will do is I will create a Fiverr profile. Okay, after creating that Fiverr profile, why I'm creating Fiverr profile, you may ask. The question is, okay, the scraper, what does, let me explain one by one. Okay, so after creating the Fiverr profile, we will reach out to the people via email, cold email, and if we are actually able to close 10 clients, what we do is we will convert this Fiverr profile into a AI agent agency. Okay, then after converting that, we will reach out to the more people in a same niche. Let's say this is the email list I have created. This is the list that I have created that people are already paying for. Let's say these are our target clients, agencies, SaaS, coaches. If anyone, any niche, actually we are able to close. Okay, so what will be our next step is we will convert this into a agent agency and we will target on same niche. And at that time, if we are actually able to find some patterns, okay, then what we will do is we will convert this workflow. You can say this is the workflow that we are currently working on. Okay, we will convert this workflow into a beautiful AI wrapper. And what is AI wrapper? AI wrapper, nothing, it's an engine with if a AI model is an engine, then the parts, then the accessories, or but you can say the if a car have an engine, it's like a AI model, and the other part of like a wheel and all the thing, other stuffs, is actually a tool that help to go or transport one place to another place. This is also you can call the AI wrapper or AI SaaS, software as a service. You know, right, what is software as a service? Okay, so we will convert this AI agent agency, the workflow, to a AI SaaS or AI wrapper MVP product. Then at that time, if we are actually able to close 1,000 clients per month, let's say we are actually charging, and then we do exit. Okay, let's say for the 1,000 clients, if we charge $10 per month for our SaaS product, yeah, that will be a $10,000 per month MRR, monthly recurring revenue. Then $10,000, if we calculate the annual recurring revenue, which is 10,000 into 12, which is $1,20,000. Okay, and yeah, this is not the same workflow. We will work on it because we have to create a UI, okay, for AI wrapper for MVP product, so that people can directly input that thing, okay, on that workflow, on that system. We don't need to interact or create a training workflow or matlab other things. Okay, they will do by themselves. Okay, yeah, this is the final goal. Yes, I'm going to create a SaaS live. Yeah, for example, if 1,000 clients paying $10 per month, so that will be a $10,000 per month MRR. And if we calculate ARR, that will be $10,000 into 12, and that is 1,20,000 ARR. And if we want to calculate the valuation, that will be into 10, and this is 1.2 million, and this is our goal to earn 1.2 million. Okay, yeah, let me know if you understand. Okay, this is what our goal is. So right now we have done this part, we have created Excel and also found the template. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is configuring this template, how to actually break it. Then we will create a Fiverr profile and we will move on. Okay, move on to the next steps. Yeah, sure, let me just drop my Telegram profile so that we can connect. Just wait. If you guys join my Telegram profile, we actually able to build this together. Okay, and we talk to each other and connect. And if you, and also I will share everything in that community group. Okay, so don't worry. So this is what I'm doing. Right now I'm actually figuring out how this is work. Okay, so I'm just reading the repository. Okay, so I already found one. Yeah, sure. Lead scraper up to 50,000 leads with emails like okay. Yeah, this one actually work, I guess, but that charges to $29.99 per month. Yeah, $30, that's a lot. Yeah, paper. Yeah, this one I think is good one. Yeah, fetch leads. Yeah, this one works. Let's use that one. Okay, no, I haven't paid for API right now. No, I haven't paid for Apify. I'm looking for the best and cheapest options right now, cause need to figure this out, right? Cause our challenge is to start with a minimum amount. $0 actually is way too low. We have to invest some money, but our goal is to use minimal amount. Okay, so this is what I'm actually looking for. Yeah, there are so many actually scraper or actors available in Apify, like this one. This is pay per event. Okay, and you will find some different type of which are actually monthly paid one. Like this one is actually a monthly paid version. So if you don't want, you don't have to. That's completely fine. As you can see, it says $29.99 per month. So we don't use that. Okay, let's see what we need. Okay, we figured out LinkedIn scraping tool. Apollo scraper, LinkedIn profile scraper is done. Okay, so Airtable, instead of Airtable, I think we will use Supabase. because Supabase is free for most users, for at least beginner. Okay, need to sign in. I will do it later. We will use Supabase instead of Airtable for database. Okay, Happify. And for the search, SerperDev, Google Search API for LinkedIn discovery. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's giving us free credits. Okay, yeah, we can use that as well. I'm right now collecting the things that we actually need to complete this workflow. Okay, for the web extraction, that is Tawil, company website content extraction. Tawil. Okay, let's just Google it. How much it charges? What are the charges? Pricing. Okay, is there any free tier? Okay, yeah, they have free tier. Okay, that one also works. Good. Let's see what we need more. Google Gemini 2.0 Flash. Yeah, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash is actually a free one. Okay, so we can work with that. Yeah, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash is free. Let's see. Let's check Open Router. Yeah, actually the workflow we are actually doing, the workflow is a lead generation system. Okay, so what it does is it's scrape LinkedIn profile and update the email IDs on the database. Okay, and also it scrape Apollo. Okay, it's also scrape Apollo database, and it's also update that Apollo database, and it's also update the email IDs from the Apollo what he scrapes. Hey, here's the workflow. You can see LinkedIn lead scraping. It scrape the said campaign name ICP, builds Google query. If it finds, it just update it. Okay, update campaign action. It's just going on a loop, and then it's actually calculate if the lead is qualified or not by the lead qualification system. Okay, and we are building this cause this is the first project, or you can say the first workflow that we will start working, which is a AI lead generation and outreach system. We are creating this one. Okay, just just for the time being we will start with this one, then we will iterate eventually, because we are all learning, and right, I am also a newbie and I am also learning, and I am in a learning phase. Okay, so I am sharing my experience how I am actually doing, so that you can learn from me, from my wins and from my mistakes. Okay, so don't have to worry, I will share everything, right? Yeah, let me know if you understand what I just said. Okay, or if you have any question, you can ask me right away. Yeah, sure, got it. Okay, just let me search for Google Flash 2.0. Google Flash, Google Gemini, Google Flash. Actually, I think it's Google Gemini Flash 2.0. This one is actually free, I think. Let's see. Okay, no, Flash is not. Point of Flash. Okay, so this one is going away. Yeah, I think the Flash is free. Okay, so we will work with it. Okay, got it. So we have collected all the things that we need to build that workflow. Okay, so far. Okay, so this is all for today. Okay, I will figure everything. I will actually configure each and every data sets or nodes, you can say, over here. Then I will share you the step by step the process tomorrow. Okay, so stay tuned. I will be live for few more minutes. If you have any question, you can ask me right away. Okay, tomorrow I will actually configure the all things. Okay, so we already find everything from the API actors to the links that we need. Okay, tomorrow I will configure each and every step. If you need anything or if you want to ask me anything, you can ask me right away. I will end this live right now. Okay, within a minute. I will wait just for 2 minutes. If you have anything to ask, you can ask me. Okay. Yeah, sure, buddy. We will touch. So yeah, I will drop this diagram after configuring this all. Okay, in my Telegram group, and if you join my Telegram, you will find this over here. I already drop it. Okay. Let me just pin my comment so that you can join right away. And what configuration of laptop do I need? You can use any kind of laptop. Okay. You can use any kind of laptop because we are actually using N8 in a cloud, so everything is cloud actually. A normal laptop will work because we are not running any models or anything. Okay, everything is cloud, and if we need to run model, we will just purchase it, because running model in your own system is not worth it right now, because our challenge is to spend bare minimum money as possible. Okay, so I'm just about to end this live. Okay, I will see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.